Now, once I've done my cleaning, the cycle is done, I need to do my paperwork. I can go to my data log and I see all the times and all the temperatures. And that's just a graph. Pasteurization temperature, set temperature, boiler temperature, the amount, as well as the positions of the valves on and off. So if we go to transfer, there's the port right here. We'd add our USB stick, and then we go to, on one side, SD card, data logging, and now we have to refresh this. Refresh, log files, refresh, Aufzeichnung, which is German for recording, and then you have here all the log files for every date. So you see the date, 24/02/28. So we can click on that and it gives you a CSV file for every day. Once you see the CSV file, you're fine. On this side, I go USB 1, and you gotta make sure that, this file will be overwritten. So you come with an empty, and then you select the file and you transfer it over. It already exists, you wanna rewrite over it, yes. And so it writes it over and done. It's an Excel spreadsheet. You can create a round, you can create a graph, a line graph like they have here, you can create whatever. For every day, you can download this and you can give it to them, and it gives you the times, the time of logging, the temperature, as well as the valve position. So it's important to have the valve position, because if I show on the Excel spreadsheet that my temperature was below, on the same line on the other side, I can show that my outlet valve was closed and my inlet or my back valve was open. I can show that on the graph. So if your inspector comes along and says, oh, here, you want a temperature, it's like, oh, yeah, the back valve was open and the production valve was closed. We can see it on the thing. So that's how you download data.